What's going on, YouTube? How you guys doing today? So today I'm here to unbox, review, and also show you the on-foot of the Jordan 3 Court Purple, Black, and Cement Gray. Alright? So if you guys ever watched the NBA, you guys will know that in this season coming up, 2020 to 2021, the commissioner of the NBA, announced the other day and said they will not be testing players for marijuana, which means that they don't really care if you take marijuana, we just don't want to know. We're gonna turn our face and we're not gonna. I believe that they're doing this because for such a long time players have been smoking marijuana before the game because it enhances their ability. For some people it calms them, for some people it heals their pain, for some people it makes them feel calm, and it slows everything down. It just makes them feel better, all right? There's a lot of pressure on NBA players, night in and night out, having to score, rebound, steal. You got to get your numbers up. You know what I mean? Like every night, it's pressure. So a lot of these players come on the court with pressure behind them. That's not a very normal thing. You're going to need something to calm you down. So a lot of players find that marijuana relaxes them, you know what I'm saying? So in my opinion, I think that people should be able to smoke marijuana, you know what I'm saying? It's not a drug that really can kill you or anything like that. I've never heard of a story of somebody dying, all right? I've heard of people saying they get munchies, I myself, I experienced with smoking weed, all right? And I know the limit I can have, you know what I'm saying? But first time I smoked weed, when I got up from the chair, I felt like I was gonna vomit. I felt like I couldn't even walk, you know what I'm saying? And when I started smoking it over and over, you know what I'm saying? Like the next day I was smoking again, and then my body got used to it. But till today, I feel paranoid when I smoke weed. So therefore for me, I don't smoke weed, all right? So I just stay out of smoking weed. But for other people who know, what weed does for them, and it doesn't cause any harm, it doesn't make you paranoid, it doesn't make you, it's all good, it's 100. It's been a long time since people are asking, you know how it is, right? In the black community, we love smoking weed. You understand what I'm saying? We love smoking some weed. You understand what I'm saying? This is what we do. But it's got to the point where, people don't have to hide smoking the weed anymore. They've legalized weed in a couple of states, all right? And because of that, it's getting to the point where eventually weed it's not gonna be a very serious drug. You know what I mean? Like it's gonna be something that people use to heal themselves, enhance their ability to take pressure off of them, you know what I mean? To relax, to sleep. That's what weed is going to be for, you know what I'm saying? So basically, the commissioner of the NBA says they're not going to be testing for any marijuana, all right? Which means they could test for it, but they're not going to test for it because they know some of these players are going to be smoking weed, all right? So, but it's all good because it's something that is needed. And hey, listen, that's what's up, you know what I mean? Let's talk about these Court Purple Jordan 3s, all right? I got them for about $220. You guys already know the Jordan 3s, you know what I'm saying? They're classic, all right? If you don't have it yet, it come in a box that looks just like this, all right? It's got a little bit of purple on it, all right? There you go right there. That's what it looks like. Let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like, all right? Ooh, hey, listen, I'm already feeling this already. Let me give you guys a 360, all right? Alright guys, so basically I got these for $220, alright? That's what I got these for. I got them on Nike.com for $220. Order on the day it was released. To me, these right here, like I said before, Jordan 3 is a classic. You can't go wrong with them. They're always gonna sell out. I don't care what you say, whether they come in different colors. I don't care what color they come in. They're always gonna sell out. All right, these colors right here, to me, they're fire. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's got a little bit of orange in it too. You know what I mean? Like over here and also behind the tongue. These color, and also at the bottom too on the soles. If you take a look at the soles right there, soles got a little bit of orange on the bottom. These are fire right here, man. These are definitely dope. Coming with some black laces, all right. On the back, it's got the Jumpman logo. Okay, it says AIR. All right. Yeah, these Jordan 3 are definitely dope. I'm loving the cement gray color right there. All right, and also on the heels, on the back of the heels, that cement gray definitely. This particular one right here is made of all leather. All right, it's all leather. What do you guys think of this? You know what I'm saying? Do you guys think it's fire? What do you guys think of 220 bucks? Is it really worth it? I think it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? I might wear these once in a while. You know what I'm saying? It's not something I'm gonna wear all the time, but this is what everybody was talking about. This court purple, everybody was talking about it, and I'm like, man, let me order these things. Let me see what they look like, and I feel that it's fire. I definitely love the combination of different colors on it. I haven't really liked all the Jordan 3s that was released this year, 2020. So hopefully in 2021, they bring out some better looking 3s. Well, 3s want to be really my favorite Jordan. You know what I'm saying? Jordan 11. 11 will be one of my favorite 5s. I love the 5s. I love the 11s. But 3s, you know, I just don't feel like they've been coming out with some dope colors. But this one is alright. You know, it'll be one of the best ones they I should release this year. And that's pretty much it, man. You know what I'm saying? Would you cop this for 220 bucks? That's if it's still available. I think they were sold out. But either way, thanks for watching my video, guys. I'm not coming to the end of my video. If you're new to this channel, click that subscribe button. And if you're not, click that like button, click that share button. You know what to do. Come back again, watch my video. And until next time, just maybe, I might see you with these on. Jordan 3 Retro, black, court purple, cement gray, or maybe not. Who knows? One of these.